Guys, look at this sad mistake. Download speed, flatline. Not enough to make it. Damn, only if I knew.
Gotta do it.
Check it.
Somebody's gotta do it. Is it gonna be you?
So you guys at the top. Come on. Spider-Man. Spider-Man. You guys think this shit's easy, yo? I make this shit look easy. I'm bringing this bitch right back downstairs because it's not doing it. Guys, this is the 5G miner. And this miner requires Cat7 or higher Ethernet cables. So if you don't pair these up with this, you're going to get slow download speeds, and therefore you're going to be penalized for your Genesis rewards. And this is the 5G radio cell. Don't mind my greasy hands. It still works. But, yeah, this is the deal. So you pair these up together, connect them, and these will give you 5G coverage, and it also pays you passive income. Like, come on, man, this is a no-brainer. This can't get no easier than this shit. Like and subscribe, Rozzy Grow. So, yeah, so this is going to go downstairs close to the modem so it gets good internet signal. So we got it connected to the back of the modem right there. You see that green cable? That's the money cable. It's connected. Got the Cat8 and the Cat7. Ultra fast speeds. And we got the radio cell right there. We giving coverage to the neighborhood. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. And yesterday we disconnected the 5G miner from the attic and we relocated it downstairs so we can improve the download speed. So if you guys don't know how to check your download speeds, you got to go to your recommended manufacturer's website. So mine is the Freedom 5. So you go to freedom5.gateway.local, and this is where you'll check all your status over here and all that stuff. And we have a download speed of 843 Mbps, and we got an upload of 23 Mbps. So everything is running as it should. Now I have to I gotta go back up into the attic and grab the GPS antenna so that it can get its GPS status. But as far as everything else, it's still mining, it's still receiving mobile, it's doing its thing, and that's how you do it. So if you guys is not getting the download speeds that you need, check your Ethernet cables. You need at least a minimum of Cat7. I'm running a mix of Cat7 and Cat8, but I'm going to upgrade everything to Cat8 sooner than sooner. You know what I'm saying, guys? So, so if we go in here into the wallet and we go try to see what the work was done, we can actually see. All right, 5G status. All right, you see, so we got the acceptable speed. We got actually over the speed, so we good. Now we could run multiple 5G radio cells over here because we got enough. But so it's online, it's active, and look at the difference, guys. Look, this whole time, if I would have switched cables, I would have been earning double. But because I wanted to be cheap, I wanted to be lazy, I didn't want to look into things, you know, I had to pay the price or not get as much. I'm still in the game, you know what I'm saying? But, you know, it'll cost you. It'll cost you for sure. But yeah, guys, that's how you get the download speed back up and going. You need to switch your Ethernet cables. And then if that's not working, then you need to contact your internet provider and get that situated with them and have them check your stuff. And if it's not your modem, then you need to check your outside cables because they might have corrosion or water or anything of them elements from the weather. Guys, this is Razi Grow. Make sure you like and subscribe. We doing things 5G, helium, a bunch of stuff. Stay tuned. Peace. I would like to give a shout out to one of my subscribers, Maestro Zila. He gave me an inquiry about the 5G cables and the download speeds, and I'm here to answer your question, bud. Now, as far as the cables that I bought the Cat8, and I bought it from this guy right here, and his name is Cable Maestro. So I don't know if that's you, if you're the owner of the eBay company guy, but hey, if it's you, nice to meet you. If not, pretty cool name. But yeah, so over here you can come, and we got a bunch of different lengths of cables up to 75 feet, and they have a bunch of different colors. I picked the green one because it reminds me of money, but I mean I could have done blue too because you know the Benjis. But guys, yeah, so this is where I got my Ethernet cable. The guy's a beast. He's got good feedback, and I'm happy with my product. And now the machine's working, everything's good. We back into the money. Like and subscribe. Stay tuned. Razi Grow.